Now I'm going to show you a French twist with the ends out. So you just twist it tight to the head, about 1, 2, 3, and then bring your tail up like that to where it looks like a nice little French twist, tight to the head. You can leave this off to the side. It can be this long or it can be that long. It works in all the lengths. And then you hold your hair fork like this with the swoop out and the bead towards the head. So when you catch a little bit, and then grab a stitch on the head just by touching with both tines and flipping. And then you shake and wiggle it all the way down. And then you just kind of let it lay over like that. Isn't that pretty? It'll stay in till you take it out.